Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss special operators. As part of the special operators, we cover instance operator, new operator, cast operator, and member access operator. Before starts today's session, let us try to recall what have we discussed in our lecture 24. What is ternary operator? How many parts it has? What are the different symbols we used in ternary operator? Can we write nested ternary? We discussed each and every points in detail in lecture 24 about ternary operator or conditional operator. If you haven't watched that, please watch that video. The link is given in the description box. After completion of this video, you will get the knowledge about what is the use of instance of operator, where do we use cast operator, what is member access operator, what is the return type of instance of operator. These are the different types of the operators provided by the Java. We covered each and every type of the operators along with the examples in detail. So this is the last video regarding to operators. In this we are going to cover special operators. First special operator is instance of operator. Generally, the object means an instance of a class. Instance of a class is called an object. Here instance means object. The instance of operator is used to test if an object belongs to a particular class or not. And here instance of is a single word. Should not give the space after instance. Syntax of this instance of operator is object name, instance of operator name, class name, and it returns either true or false. If this object belongs to this class, it returns true. That's why we need to store it in a Boolean variable. So for that, we are declaring a Boolean variable here. See the example. Boolean data type, variable name is B, assignment. In this example, object name is object emp, obj emp. Instance of operator, class name is employee. So if this obj emp is an object of employee class, this instance of operator returns true and that will be assigned to the variable B. See this example to understand instance of operator. In this example, our class name is instance of ex, instance of example. In the fifth statement, we are creating object to our class. Object name is obj. And coming to the sixth statement, we are using instance of operator. Object name, instance of operator, and class name. So in this example, obj is the object to this class because already we created in the fifth statement, right? So that's why it returns true. Now I want to print that. See now the output is true, right? Because obj is an object of instance of ex class. Next operator is new operator. We implemented multiple times in our course. Generally it is used to create an object. When we use new keyword, it creates the object dynamically on heap memory. Then how to use new keyword? Class name, space object name, assignment, new. It is an operator and class name. Next operators are cast operator and dot operator. We use parenthesis symbol to represent cast operator. It is used to convert the value of one data type to another data type. This process is called type conversion. We will discuss in detail about this type conversion in the coming videos. Next, dot operator. This dot operator is also called member access operator. The symbol we used to represent this is dot. If you want to access a class from the package, we use the syntax package name dot class. If you want to access a static function of a class name dot that static method name. Like this, Dot operator is used to access the members from a class or from the packages. That's why this dot operator is also called member access operator. Check your knowledge, what you learned from this video. What is the use of instance of operator? Where do we use cast operator? What is a member access operator? What is the return type of instance of operator? If this video is useful to you, please do subscribe the channel, like the videos and share the videos. Thank you.